If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to, and this is especially for you crafters out there, the Kato Drawstring project bag. Now this does come in 3 sizes. This little itty bitty one is the smallest, and they only get significantly bigger after that. There's a small, a medium, and a large. I do not have all the sizes here, but I eventually will make them all. But they all kind of look the same, just a little bit bigger as they go. This one here I have made for myself. It's going to be perfect for my sock knitting projects on the go. Let me show you some of the incredible features of this bag. Now my favorite thing about it is you get to use some really fun cotton prints in this one. Can truly make it your own. Now I have chosen to put a vinyl bottom on this one. It can definitely be a cotton print as well. I just thought it added a little extra pop. It's got a drawstring on top, and I have it, my drawstring I use paracord. It's got a handy little handle here so you could carry it on your wrist if you wanted to. I don't know. When you open it up, it actually opens up pretty good, so I can definitely put my my sock knitting project in here. It has a ton of little pockets. I don't know if I really needed the pockets in the smaller one, but I'll definitely use them. I mean, it's great for putting in your scissors and your circular needles or your crochet hooks or what have you. Yeah, and she's just a simple, fun, cute little bag. This one is for me. I just love it. So if you would like one of these made in your choices of cotton fabrics, the vinyls, etc., you know what to do. All of my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of the bag community, I have a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. There's also a cutting video on this one. Anyways, until the next one, bye.